In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply by 2 when you click a checkbox. We need to insert a checkbox first. Insert checkbox. And when we click this C2, I want to multiply A2. So let's go up to Extensions, AppScript, and start scripting. This is going to be very simple. Just follow along or get this sheet down below in the description. We need to use onEdit as a function. This is going to be a very special function. We can only have one of these in our AppScript. If, we're going to say if, and we need the cell is clicked here. Basically, we're going to say whenever the cell is clicked here, then do something. We need to know what cell we're on, so variable row equals e.range.getRow. And we also need column, or COL, e.range.getColumn. This is from this special event, or e variable here, and we're going to say if row is equal to 2, double ampersand, column, or COL, is equal to, actually we need two equal signs, is equal to. We're looking, are these two things the same? We're not assigning it. And we want column 1. Row 2, column 1 is A2 here. So actually we need to click on C2. So we need column 3. Then we want to take whatever is in number is in spreadsheet app.getActiveSheet.getRange A2 get value, and we're going to take that value, new number equals number times 2. We're going to use this asterisk for times 2. And then we're going to take this exact range again and set value, which is going to be new number. We need to do one more thing here, which is uncheck this C2 box. So we're going to take the range again, get range, change it to C2, uncheck. Now what should happen is when we click on row 2, column 3, we'll multiply the number in A. Actually, this should be A2, right? Yes, A2. So let's try it out, and it's doing it. So now we click it again, and it's multiplying this number by 2 and unchecking this checkbox. So we can just multiply by 2 on click. Isn't that cool? You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.